SWOT is an acronym for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. The primary objective of SWOT analysis is to help a company or an organization develop a full awareness of all the factors involved in a decision. SWOT is a more powerful tool for many different decisions. It can be used to assess an entire company as a whole, and this is what you're doing. In this case, it's for your proposed or existing company. It can also be used to analyze perhaps a product or a brand. It can analyze a business idea, a strategic option, such as entering a new market or launching a new product or service, a potential partnership, a changing supplier, and outsourcing a service. The SWOT analysis template is normally presented in a grid form, as you see here, with 4 sections. In the upper left-hand corner is where you find strengths. The upper left-hand corner is strengths, and the upper right-hand corner is weaknesses. These are internal to the company. The lower left-hand corner is opportunities, and the lower right-hand corner is threats. Those are external to your company, outside of your company. The internal factors, strengths and weaknesses, are usually considered from some of the following: financial resources, such as funding or sources of income; physical resources, such as the location, facilities, and equipment; human resources, employees, volunteers, target audiences; management factors, marketing factors, production factors perhaps; access to any natural resources, trademarks, patents, copyrights; and current processes such as systems, software systems, departments that might have certain kind of processes in them. Any of these could be strengths, or they may be your weakness. For strengths, we are asking such questions as: what advantages does your company have? What do you do better than anyone else? What do people see as your strengths? So if we did a rudimentary SWOT analysis for Starbucks, we might say that their strengths are brand recognition, variety of choices of beverages, free Wi-Fi, many convenient locations, and the use of corporate social responsibility for hiring veterans. For weaknesses, however, we're asking questions such as: what can you improve on? What should you avoid? What factors lose you sales? What are your competitors doing better than you? So again, if we considered Starbucks, we might say that one of their greatest weaknesses is their high pricing. In my opinion, not very tasty food, and not very comfortable seating depending on the location. For external factors, those are opportunities and threats in the bottom portion of the grid. We typically refer to things that the company cannot control, such as market trends, new products, technology shifts, economic trends, such as local, national, or international financial trends, competitors, products or services that can be substituted for yours. For instance, if you're a producer of Splenda, you might be concerned about a production of a new kind of natural low-calorie sugar. External factors may also include funding, changing demographics, so shifts in population. For example, the prevalence of working parents now. Relationships with your suppliers and your partners. Political, environmental, governmental, or economic regulations of any kind. New marketplaces. Any of these could be opportunities, or they may represent threats. For opportunities, we're asking questions such as: what interesting trends are you aware of that you might capitalize on? Are there useful opportunities that can come out of technology, changes in lifestyle, maybe local events that you can take advantage of? Do any of your strengths create opportunities? If you eliminate any weaknesses, then does that open up the possibility for a new opportunity? So for Starbucks, opportunities may include market expansion globally, strategic partnerships in new countries such as Tata partnership in India, increase in coffee drinking, or the perception that coffee is good for you. For threats, we ask, what obstacles do you face in the environment? What are your competitors doing? Are quality standards, or who are your competitors actually? Are quality standards or specifications changing? Is technology changing and threatening your position in the marketplace? Do you have debt issues? Threats include the possibility of civil war in countries where the coffee beans are grown, drought, fewer workers because of the aging population, less expensive places such as Dunkin' Donuts that imitate Starbucks drinks. I hope this captures the essence of SWOT for you. Now your job is to do a SWOT analysis on your entire company.